More fidget toys. I can't remember which one this one is. Magic slider, office desk made in China. Some labelling on the back. Ages 6+. I think I'm older than that. Right, let's get him open. So I ordered several of these. I can't remember which one this one is. It feels a bit bulky. Oh, it's in a little kind of a carbon-esque padded case with a zip. Quite like that. Let's get him open and what's inside. Ah, okay. This is the little. Let's pop that down there. The deep fried dough sticks. Very random, but I quite like it. I like this colour. It comes in silver as well. I quite like this sort of brassy gold. How does this thing open? After all these fidget toys, trying to get them open as a fidget itself. Let's just break it open. There you go. So this one I was intrigued with. Deep fried dough sticks on one side. On the other side, I don't know what those are. Oh, it's a little logo. I've seen this on the coins. I guess the manufacturer, I can't remember what the manufacturer's called. But it slides and it twists. So, ooh, there's the slide. It's kind of like ratcheted. Probably not as satisfying as I'd hoped. But then you can twist part of it as well. What have we got here? Some little ball bearings. There's a little ratchet on the other side, and you can twist and so I guess you sort of ratchet it up and then twist it around. It's a bit fiddly. I don't remember how much I paid for this. Let's call it $10. The build quality is nice. I like the look of it. I like the aesthetic. The size is okay. It's pretty good. It's like a chip, something like that. This bit just seems a little bit fiddly, and for a fidget toy, you don't really want maybe fiddly. Maybe there's a little knack to kind of get used to. It's nicely machined, so nice smooth edges. So that's quite nice. Let's try it the other way around. So I guess doing it that way, you'll find a little knack. Yeah, I like it. Am I going to get that much use out of it? Do you know what? Some of the other ones I thought not, and then they've stayed on the desk, and I do find myself using them daily now. So I can add this one to the collection. There we go, the long skinny deep fried dough sticks fidget toy and case. Just noticed, it's called a magnetic toy. There's no magnets in it. Can't find them anywhere. These are little balls. And there's like ratchets, but no magnets. So not a magnetic tie, not as advertised again, but good fun. Quite nice. This is quite nice. Design's nice. Build quality's nice. Not sure how long it will last. I'm sure there'll be a weak point, but yeah. I'm going to give it 7.5 out of 10. A maybe buy.